highs. Yeah, there's something about the high life. Time me wake up in the morning, twist and turn in the sleep, yeah. Not to wake until me burning, fly so high that me gonna reach the earth, yeah. Smoke one for me, love it. Take your mind to a better place with the peace, not the war and violence. Living in a town with a motherfucking down shit. Talking about the pound cake, not the crumb from my family. When you struggling to get to dying slow is the poor people's enemy. It's the poor people's enemy. Poor people's enemy. Dying slow is a felony. Lock me up and out of chain if you don't friend me. Taken by the rich, yeah. Green roll everything. President no fix, yeah. He don't give you anything. Tap on the wrist, yeah. Never him a run away. When I wanna wish, yeah. Always another day. Smoke up a spliff, yeah. He never hesitate. Put it in a wrist, yeah. Clean like the Everglades. So let me smoke a heavyweight. Forget all the pain and the suffering. This is how I cope. Chop it when me broke. Sit and watch the smoke rise. No wonder they call me dope. You see that pain will go. No help from no 5-0. You can tell by the red in my eyes. This is the high life. There's something about the high life. Man, there's something about the high life. There's something about the high life. Grab it away, then it makes it look high right. There's something about the high life. Man, there's something about the high life. There's something about the high life. Grab it away, then it makes it look high right. Yeah, it's up to me, man. Show the damn world what happiness is. I'm in the form of a twist. In that the paper to write for a hit. Nothing ever come to a choice. This fate was decided with help of the force. This could have been avoided, the children will see. The future we left them is looking so bleak. So when the laughter cease to exist, this is when we know we did. No time for my enemy to stop now. This is how I cope. Chop it when me broke. Sit and watch the smoke rise.